Good morning, what is up guys? Smidy TV today with a new video. Today we're going to be fishing a club competition. I'm fishing today with Sean and I'm very glad to be able to fish on his boat, so a big thanks to him. And yeah, we're fishing against each other but we're fishing on the same boat, so we're kind of going in as a team, so I'm kind of excited about this. And maybe you guys will see some footage from him as well. So I'm super excited about this video. If you guys are too, stay tuned and then let's get into some fishing.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Come on, there we go. Much better. Much better.
What's the first, Smidy?
Oh, there we go. Much better one. First one, I don't think it's on camera because my voice recorder didn't record. Second fish, and I think this one is a keeper. For now, at least. Thanks to Sean for putting us on the spot. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed him. Wait. There we go. Now we're on. A little dinky, but I'll take it. On the little weightless Senko right there, June bug color. Definitely have to upgrade this one, but for now I'll put him in the live well. Come on, there we go. Oh, oh yes. Let's bring him home. There we go. Another keeper for now. Ooh. There we go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Ooh, much better. Ooh, this is a decent one. Can you get the net there for me, Sean, please? Ooh, it's in the grass. There we go. Oh yeah. That's a good one, man. There we go. Awesome.
Good, man.
Biggest one for the day so far. Awesome. Thanks, man. Woo! June bug Senko.
I'm going on my lunch break, Mr. Krabs.
You got 5 minutes.
Five minutes later.
Oh, naar de bijkasting goed zijn bekend. Niks aan hem. I'm on, I'm on, I'm on. Can't believe it, they'd stick for days. Yes. Yo, that's a beautiful one. Woo! Oh! I was eating my piece of bread, picked it up and this hog had it. What? Oh, wow. What a treat. Yes. That was pure luck. Alright guys, yeah, a little update. The big one I just caught is starting to turn, so I'm heading back to the weighing station and weigh him quickly and then let him go. I don't want to let him die, so yeah. So far just a lot of small ones. Got a couple of big ones, but I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but I've got some hopes, but yeah. Anyway guys, stay tuned. If you guys want to know the results, make sure you watch till the end. Stay tuned.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
That's money. That's a good one. That's a good one. Ooh, this is a good one. 3-pounder. Again. I hope this is a good one. Felt like it hit me real hard. Sunscreen in my eyes, guys. I did catch a fish though. How is this even possible, guys? Anyway. There we go. There we go. It's off. Nah, it's still on. Catching a 3-pounder. Oh, my soul. There we go. Look how small that fish is, and it still hits this Senko. It's crazy. It really is crazy. Come on, there we go. This is probably going to be my ending fish for the day, but I'll take it. Junebuck Senko really saved today for me. Weightless, throw it out, let it sink down, boop, boop. Set the hook, fish on. All right, guys, something bad. That is burp. Something bad just happened. I just broke a rod. It hurt so much. Like what happened was I was pushing the boat's nose onto the trailer while we were loading, and the one tip actually got stuck in here while driving, and the boat didn't want to stop, and it actually just broke off. My heart's broken. But yeah, I'm very happy I got a 5th place, so yeah, I'm super thankful that I could have caught those 3 good fish. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of this, I'll be fishing competitive next week as well. So if you guys want to stay tuned on that, keep subscribed, keep liking and comment what you guys thought about this video. See you guys soon.